Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Motorola StarTAC. The Motorola StarTAC, first released on the 3rd of January 1996, is often assumed to be the first ever clamshell, flip, mobile phone. Technically, however, NEC had been releasing flip phones on NTT Docomo's PDC MOVA network long before 1996, namely the TZ804 and TZ1501, both respectively launched in 1991 and late 1994.
Make your mark, take our lead.
2000s. Manufacturers need to rethink the design of the smartphone entirely. Enter flip phones. Flip phones as a product category aren't anything new. They died in the late 2000s when the iPhone, and smartphones as a collective, was introduced.
Take our lead.
Motorola DynaTAC 8000X. The Motorola DynaTAC 8000X, aka the brick phone, became the first commercial cellular phone to receive FCC approval on September 21, 1983, making it the oldest cell phone ever in the world.
Take our lead.
The best flip phones in 2021. Samsung Galaxy Folder 2. The best traditional flip phone you can buy. Nokia 2720 Flip. The best flip phone for minimalists looking to declutter. Alcatel Go Flip V. The best flip phone for accessibility. Nuu Mobile F4 LLTE. A 4G flip phone with Android. LG Exalt VN220. TT Phone Lunar. Nokia 8110 4G.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.